Hello, students. Today we are going to study the chapter metals and non-metals. So let us look into the slides. Metals are the elements that conduct heat and electricity and are malleable and ductile. Examples are iron, aluminium, silver, copper, potassium, and sodium. Metals are the elements which form positive ions by losing electrons. Thus, metals are known as electropositive elements. Let us study the physical properties of metals. Hardness. Most of the metals are hard except alkali metals such as sodium, potassium, and lithium, which are soft metals. Strength. Most of the metals are strong and have high tensile strength. Because of this, big structures are made using metals such as copper and iron. State. Metals are solids at room temperature except for mercury. Sound. Metals produce ringing sound, so metals are called sonorous. This is the cause that metal wires are used in making musical instruments. Conduction. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. This is the cause that electric wires are made of metals like copper and aluminium. Metals contain free electrons which conduct electric current. Malleability. Metals are malleable. That means metals can be beaten into thin sheets. Ductility. Metals are ductile. This means metals can be drawn into thin wires. Melting and boiling point. Metals have generally high melting and boiling points except sodium and potassium. Density. Most of the metals have a high density except sodium and potassium, which have low densities. Now these few slides will show you some activities. Referring to some activities based on NCERT, students, you need to focus at least once so that you understand the physical properties of metals thoroughly. Here you can see activity 3.1 shows metals in their pure state which have a shining surface. This property is metallic luster. 3.2 activity shows about the metal's hardness. Hardness varies from metal to metal. 3.3 activity shows metals can be beaten into thin sheets or malleability. 3.4 activity shows you about the ductility of metals. Activity 3.5 shows you about the metals are good conductors of heat and have high melting point. This is an experimental setup for the experiment. Activity 3.6, which shows you that metals are good conductors of electricity. Chemical properties. Reaction with oxygen. Most of the metals, they form respective metal oxides. Reaction of potassium with oxygen. Potassium reacts with oxygen, forms potassium oxide. Sodium reacts with oxygen, forms sodium oxide. Copper reacts with oxygen, forms copper oxide. Silver, gold, platinum are the least reactive. They do not combine with the oxygen of the air. Reaction of metals with water. Metals form respective hydroxide and hydrogen gas when reacts with water. Most of the metals do not react with water. However, alkali metals react vigorously with water. Sodium metal reacts with water, forms sodium hydroxide, and hydrogen gas is liberated. Students, now you need to learn about the reaction of calcium metal with water. Calcium forms calcium hydroxide along with hydrogen gas. Magnesium reacts with water slowly and forms magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. When steam is passed over magnesium metal, magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas are formed. Reaction of aluminium metal with water. Reaction of aluminium metal with cold water is a slow process, but when steam is passed over aluminium metal, aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas are produced. Reaction of zinc metal with water. Zinc metal produces zinc oxide and hydrogen gas when steam is passed over it. Zinc does not react with cold water. Reaction of iron with water. Reaction of iron with cold water is very slow and comes into notice after a long time. Iron forms rust when reacts with moisture present in the atmosphere. Now let us learn about the calcium and magnesium property. Both calcium and magnesium, they are heavier than water but still float over it. Both calcium and magnesium float over water surface because hydrogen gas is evolved when these metals react with water. It is in the form of bubbles which stick on the metal surface. Therefore, they float over it. Reaction of metals with dilute acid. Now, let us look into this chemical reaction. Metals form respective salts when react with dilute acids. Sodium metal gives sodium chloride and hydrogen gas when react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas are formed when magnesium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Thank you.